In this video, we're going to look at what improper fractions are and how we identify them. If you haven't already, take a look at my video on proper fractions where I also look at what a fraction is. Okay, so we're going to split a fraction up into two categories, proper fractions and improper fractions. And for this video, we're going to focus on just improper fractions. Okay, so let's look at a typical fraction. Okay, so what we have here, you can see two numbers, one on top of each other and a line in between. This line can also be seen like a divide line. These two numbers each have got a name. The top number is called the numerator and the bottom number is called the denominator. Now let's go back to our original question. What is an improper fraction? Well, basically it's when the number on top is larger than the number on the bottom. So the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Okay, so let's look at an example to represent this improper fraction. So the question would be, what fraction of pizza is left after people have eaten it? Okay, so here, each whole pizza is cut into 8 pieces. So this would be the denominator. Some people take a slice from box 1 and others take a slice from box 2. So that means that there are 5 slices left in box 1 and 5 slices left in box 2. So the slices remaining across both boxes will give us the numerator, which is the total of 10 slices. So to answer our question, what fraction of pizza is left after people have eaten? Well, that would be 10 over 8. We can see how it looks when we tidy the slices up to store for later. We move some of the pizzas from one box into the other to make a whole full pizza again. That leaves 2 remaining pizzas in box 2. So an improper fraction means that we have at least a whole pizza or more. The difference between an improper fraction and a proper fraction is that a proper fraction has less than a whole, whereas an improper fraction has at least one whole or more. Okay, now it's your turn. We're going to identify which of the following are improper fractions. Let's take example number 1. Here we have 9 over 6. So when we're looking at this fraction here, we have a box of 6 because 6 is the denominator. So when we count 6 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can see that we've got 9. So we have to add some more. 7, 8, 9. So now we've counted 9 boxes. Each group of 6 is the denominator, but because we have 9 of them, we had to get a second box to continue shading in 3 more. So now we've shaded 9 altogether, so this would be 9 over 6. The fact that we've completed a whole set here, that means that this is an improper fraction because we have more than a whole. So we say yes. In question number 2, the denominator is 5. So each whole set will be 5 like we have shown here. But because we've got 12 of those, we'll shade in 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So here, as you can see, we have more than one whole complete, and therefore this is an improper fraction. In question number 3, the denominator is 4, so our whole will be 4. And how many we actually have? We shade in 4 of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see that we have completed the entire box. Therefore, this is one whole, and one whole or more makes an improper fraction. So this is improper. Here we have the denominator is 8, so our whole will be 8 slices. And we need to shade in the numerator, which is 6. So we shade in 6 slices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have not shaded in the entire shape, So that means this is not an improper fraction. This is a proper fraction. And obviously, if you can see the numerator is bigger than the denominator, we know it's an improper fraction. Here, the numerator is smaller, so we know it's a proper fraction. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye!